Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to understand Wizz Air's cancellation policy and refund fees. If you're planning to fly with Wizz Air or have already booked a flight, knowing these policies can save you money and stress if your plans change unexpectedly. First, open your web browser and head to the official Wizz Air website. Type in the address bar wizzair.com and press enter. Once the homepage loads, scroll down to the very bottom of the page where you'll find several footer links. Look for the option labeled Help Center and click on it. This section is your go-to resource for all questions related to bookings, cancellations, and modifications. Inside the Help Center, you'll see various categories organized by topic. Navigate to the section titled Booking Modification, then click on Cancel Flight. This will take you directly to the cancellation policy overview, where all the important details are laid out. Take your time to read through this page carefully, as it explains the fees and conditions that apply to voluntary cancellations depending on when you decide to cancel. Here's what you need to know about the fees. If you cancel your flight more than 14 days before your scheduled departure, Wizz Air charges a cancellation fee of around 60 to 65 euros per passenger per flight. This is the lowest fee you'll encounter for a voluntary cancellation, so if you know early that you can't travel, it's better to act sooner rather than later. However, if you cancel within 14 days of your departure date, the fee increases significantly. You'll be charged approximately 80 to 85 euros per passenger per flight, which includes an additional seat protection fee. This higher charge reflects the closer proximity to your travel date and makes last-minute cancellations more costly. Now, if you purchased a Wizz Air Flex ticket when you booked your flight, you're in a better position. Wizz Air Flex tickets allow you to cancel up to 3 hours before departure and receive either a full refund or travel credit. This option provides maximum flexibility and is worth considering if your travel plans are uncertain. It's also important to recognize that certain circumstances may exempt you from these cancellation fees altogether. For example, if you experience a family emergency such as the death of a close relative, Wizz Air may waive the cancellation fee. To qualify for this exemption, you'll need to submit proper documentation promptly, so keep that in mind if such a situation arises. Understanding these policies helps you make informed decisions and avoid unnecessary charges. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.